Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to repair a tire at home with a simple, affordable tire repair kit. When we leave screws, nails, or tools scattered around, it's only a matter of time before something like this happens. Before starting the repair, I decided to take the wheel off. But first, I had to add a little air back into the tire, just enough to lift the car safely with the jack and get it underneath. Fixing a puncture like this is actually pretty simple with a common tire repair kit. Step 1. Find the puncture. In this case, it's easy. The screw is right here in the tread. Step 2. Use pliers to pull the screw out. Right away you'll hear the air escaping, so move quickly to the next step. Step 3. Take the rasp tool and push it into the hole a few times. This cleans and roughens the edges so the repair plug will grip securely. Step 4. Add a little rubber cement to the hole and onto the plug. This acts as a lubricant for easier insertion and also helps create a better seal. Step 5. Thread the repair strip, also called a plug, into the insertion tool, just like threading a needle. Step 6. Now it's time to insert the plug. In my case, I actually struggled to push it in. The fit can be really tight. For extra caution, I put on some work gloves to hold the tool more securely. The salesman who sold me this kit also warned me that these tools can snap under pressure and potentially injure your hand, so take your time and be careful here. Once you've got the plug pushed in, leave about half an inch sticking out. Then, pull the tool straight back out. The plug will stay in place, sealing the hole. Step 7. Reinflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Step 8. Trim off the extra rubber sticking out so it sits flush with the tread. Don't worry if you hear a little noise from the repair during your first few miles. That's normal. Over time, the plug will smooth out as the tire wears in. And finally, once the repair was done, it was time to check the air pressure on all four tires. It's a good habit whenever you're dealing with a flat, just to make sure the whole set is balanced and safe for driving.